Hello my little Pinky pals, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Pinkee and we are drawing animals today. Some more super cute little fun animals that are all based off of circles. I don't even know how many in this video, so I won't even bother quoting because I'll probably just be wrong. But we have a lot and they're cute, so I hope you enjoy. If you do have any other animals that you'd like to see me draw, let me know in the comment section below. I am happy to do so. I just love doing them, to be honest. Well, maybe love is a strong word. I enjoy doing them. Every now and again I get things like that weird goat that make me kind of question what I'm doing in life, but it is what it is. So, how are all my pretties out there? How is everyone doing? How are all my lovelies? My Pinky pals? My sweethearts? That really only applies to one person. So I guess really just sweetheart. How you doing, boo? God. I hope you guys are all having a great day. I'm sorry I am the way I am. I don't know why I am the way I am, but I am the way I am. Yeah. I am kind of, I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm not like over caffeinated or super tired. I'm just weird today and I don't know why. I think I'm just kind of excited. I don't know why I'm excited. I have nothing to be excited for. I think because while I'm doing this ahead of time, but when this goes live, I will technically be on vacation, which might be why I'm excited, because I do like to be, on vacation and not working. Well, not doing like my normal work. I'll still be drawing, I'll still be doing commissions, things like that, which, by the way, if you don't know, I do commissions. So if you are interested, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram, or you can email me. I'll put my email in the description, I guess. I don't know if I ever have done that. But if I forget, still Instagram me. I'm doing it. I am doing customs now. Or again, I guess. And so I'll be working on those, but also I will be just drawing in general. And I hope that you guys will be too, because who doesn't love drawing? Otherwise, I'll just be chilling and having a good time. I hope that you guys are doing well on this beautiful Sunday. Even though I'm not around, I still am happy that you are here with me. I am so looking forward to this vacation. Really, 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 really muchly. And I've gotten so far ahead, like, you guys don't even know, I'm like 3 weeks out of vacation. Like, it's like 3 weeks before I'm on vacation. And I'm already doing videos for vacation. And I already have others that are, like, waiting to be edited. Like, I'm on it, guys. I don't know, like, I know you guys just see the videos come out every Sunday, but there are times where I'm, like, doing them Saturday night. Like, you guys know that. Like, I do them really late at night. So, the fact that I am actually doing videos ahead of time is pretty intense for me. Pretty excited that I have leveled up again in adulthood. And, yeah, I feel like you guys should leave me lots of comments about how amazing I am to stroke my large adult ego. But yeah, so I'm excited because I will be on vacation at the time of this video. And yeah, also I wanted to mention my patron, I always want to call them my Patreons, but that's not what it is. It's Patreon. And then my patrons are getting the worksheet for these animals as well. So if you were interested in joining, it is $5 a month and you get one tutorial, you get at least one, I say one coloring page, but technically you tend to get like 4. I do one like every Monday, and a bunch of other goodies like this. Whenever I do like little things like these, I always try to do like little worksheets and things like that. Oh my god, this trunk. I literally was gonna cut this out, but then I thought, no, it's too funny to see how many trunks actually try. And then I'm like, lower the eyes. So I'm like, yeah, that's gonna make it better, Alicia. Whatever. Anyway, Yeah, so if you're interested in checking out my Patreon, I will leave that link in the comment section below. We have lots going on over there, and it really does help to support me, and if nothing else, it just keeps me motivated to keep going, so I do appreciate that. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as that front goes. Otherwise, I don't know. I'm making a tiger. I'm so weird today. I actually had this all like done. I talked while I was doing it, giving like tips and tricks and whatever. Not really, but kind of sort of. And then I was like, no, you know what? I want it to be like just natural, and because I don't know, whenever it's like I sit there and I talk about what I'm doing, it just doesn't sound very natural to me. So I'm like, I want it natural, and I want to just like talk throughout the whole thing, and then I forget the fact that I actually have to talk throughout the whole thing, and then I get to the point where I'm like, Alicia, you're being weird, like be quiet. And then I'm like quiet, and then I'm like looking at myself like, well, not at myself, I'm thinking to myself like, why are you being quiet? You have to talk, you're doing a video. And it becomes a thing, and then you guys get this kind of commentary, and I'm just sorry. That's it. Just at the end of the day, I'm just so sorry. But I just, yeah, I can't not talk, or else it would be weird. But yeah, I mean, I just do. I like just being more natural about it. That's why I like doing the lives and stuff. I feel like I can just be more me, and I can talk to you guys, and we can kind of bounce ideas, and it's just fun. Like, I like hanging out and just drawing, you know? So, if you don't know, and you've never been to one of my lives, like, what are you waiting for? Come on over. Come on over. We do all kinds of stuff. We've done, like, we've made our own cat, like, dice game. We've done a coloring page together. We did, what else have we done? We've done isometric, like basics together. We've done a mermaid tutorial. Like, we do all kinds of just whatever random stuff. So, you know, I'd love to have you guys there. I do them every Saturday, 6 to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Obviously not in July. I've got a couple of days or a couple of weeks where I don't do one, but that's just because I'm on vacation. But otherwise, it is every Saturday, 6 to 8 p.m. So, you know, catch me if you can. And what else is new? I don't know. I'm working on something. I really like doing digital stickers, and I don't know if you guys are interested. Let me know in the comment section below if you are. But I kind of want to like, I want to start looking to do like digital stickers, and then maybe like go into more physical stickers and stuff. I just love planning, but I don't like actually planning. I just like creating the I like creating the prettiness of it, but that's it. I don't want to actually do any planning or better my life in that kind of a way. I just want to make the pretties that go with it. And I love making stickers and stuff like that, and I love drawing girls, and I don't know, I kind of just want to do it. And I know that everybody's always like, you gotta do, you know, you gotta niche down, whatever, blah, 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 blah. But I just want to draw what I want to draw when I want to draw it, you know? And I do find that that's hard sometimes, especially on things like Instagram and whatnot. So I don't know if you guys would be interested in that kind of thing, but if you are, let me know so that I know that I can keep going and do that. And also, here comes the Addy portion. Has there been? There probably already has been an Addy portion, but here comes more of an Addy portion. Just a reminder to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. I don't know why I'm doing that voice. Even my dog is looking at me like, what is wrong with you today? I don't know, bub. I don't know at all. Anywho's it. I hope you're enjoying this. I actually really enjoyed some of these. I think that koala is super cute. The platypus, I'm like, I don't know if that's the way to go here. But I thought they all turned out pretty cute. I'm just doing some last screenshots so that you can catch it if you missed anything, or you can pause at these stages. And other than that, guys, that's it for me. So I will talk to you in the next one. Have a great day. I love you guys so much. Appreciate y'all. Bye-bye.